Hey everyone, Siavash here and Happy New Year. I'm coming at you with some new updates for PT Everywhere integration with HighLevel. As you can see, we've added a ton more data points that will be released later today. So as you can see, we're currently getting 22 data points for each of your patients. So last visit service name, location name, provider, and the status of the last visit, and the same stuff for the next visit coming through. We also have the next visit appointment reminder start time. This allows you to basically set up workflows in GHL if you want to do appointment reminders, 1 hour, 20 minutes, and those type of things before the appointment to do the reminder within the GHL. And we also, as I promised, we do return some monetary value as well, so you can know how much money you made so far, total revenue and total collected from each patient or client, and also your patient primary payer, secondary payer, tertiary payer, plus the patient ID, who last seen by, last visit, next visit, type of the service for the last service, and open case. So if I want to give you an example on how it's going to look like, so this is a test. I just updated the name and stuff to be fake, so you don't need to kind of like no leakage of data. But yeah, we are actually getting date of birth as well, so you can do all sort of things, birthday and those kind of stuff. And these are the other information that are coming through, plus the address, as some of you asked for the address, so we are sending the address as well. Super excited to push this out. Let me know if you have any question. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks. Bye.